Here it says a surveyor is standing on a horizontal plane can see a volcano in the distance, and the angle of elevation to the top of the volcano is 23. So first it's volcano horizontal. That's my surveyor is here. Let me put eyes here. Okay, and then I have h. X is a distance between surveyor and the volcano. So it says the angle, which is 23. So the distance is x. If surveyor and then if the surveyor moves 750 closer, the angle of elevation is now 37. So if it comes 750 closer, that means the distance would be x minus 750. The angles would be 37. Determine the height of the volcano above the plane. Okay, so now I am gonna, first of all, I will go for step 1. I have angles here, and the opposite side, that's my h, and the distance is x. So I use the trigonometry rule to say tangent of an angle, that's here 23, equals the opposite side, that's here h, over the adjacent side of the angle, that is x here. So for this step, if I use cross multiplication, I will find h equals x tangent of 23, tangent of 23. And if I calculate tangent of 23 with calculator, I will have 0.424. So I can say h equals 0.424x. For x. It's my step number 1. It's my step number 1. Step 2, it says surveyor comes closer around 715. So the distance would be x minus 750. The height is same. So that step 2, again, the angles would 37 and height and x minus 750. So I use trigonometry again here. This time the angle is 37 over the opposite side of 37 is h, over adjacent side would be x minus 750. If I get tangent of 37, calculate it with calculator, that gives me 0.754. So 0.754. I use cross multiplication, so I will have h equals 0.754 x minus, now multiply 750 times 0.754, which is 565.5. It's my step 2. From step 1 and step 2, I can say h doesn't change, equals 0.424x, and here h doesn't change, the left side are equal, so I can get the right side are equal. Let me change the color here, so I say 0.424x equals 0.754x minus 565.5. It's a simple equation, and we can find x. The value of x would be, the value of x is almost approximately 1716.5. And if I meter, I have to say the unit would be meter. If I put this value, of x in one of these two steps, I get that step number 1 is so easier. I only substitute the value of x in step 1, and I will get h would be this amount times 0.424. That gives me h equals 728. So I find the height of the volcano here.